Welcome back to Stoic Wisdom. Women often appear strong, independent, and emotionally composed. But just like men, they have hidden vulnerabilities. Smart men understand these weaknesses, not to manipulate, but to build deeper connections and stronger relationships. Stoic wisdom teaches us that true power comes from understanding human nature, including the subtle emotional and psychological triggers that influence women's behavior. In this guide, we'll reveal 10 hidden female weaknesses that men should know, allowing you to navigate relationships with confidence and clarity. Let's begin. 1. The desire for emotional security. No matter how independent a woman appears, emotional security is one of her deepest needs. A woman wants to feel safe and understood in a relationship. If she senses uncertainty, instability, or dishonesty, she will pull away. Stoic wisdom. Instead of being reactive, remain calm and composed. Women are naturally drawn to men who provide a sense of emotional stability. 2. The fear of being replaced. Women may not always admit it, but they fear being replaced by someone younger, more attractive, or more interesting. This is why women test men, to see if they are truly committed or just keeping options open. Stoic wisdom. Never feed into jealousy or insecurity. Be clear about your standards, and let your actions show that you are with her because of her character, not just superficial attraction. 3. The need for validation. Even the most confident women crave affirmation from the men they admire. A lack of attention can make a woman feel unnoticed or unappreciated, which may lead her to seek validation elsewhere. Stoic wisdom. Give genuine compliments, but don't overdo it. Keep it balanced. She should feel valued, but not placed on a pedestal. 4. The struggle with overthinking. Women's minds are often constantly analyzing, questioning, and predicting future scenarios. This overthinking can make them anxious, doubtful, or emotionally overwhelmed, especially in relationships. Stoic wisdom. Be a grounding force. When she spirals into overthinking, remain calm, logical, and reassuring. Your composure will give her clarity. 5. The emotional impact of words. A careless remark can stick with a woman for years. Women tend to internalize words deeply, especially in moments of vulnerability. Even if she forgives, she may never forget. Stoic wisdom. Choose your words wisely. Speak with intention and never say something in anger that you wouldn't say in a rational state. 6. The attraction to a man with purpose. A woman respects and admires a man who has direction in life. If you lack ambition, goals, or a sense of purpose, she may subconsciously lose respect for you. Stoic wisdom. Focus on building your life first. A man who is driven and disciplined naturally attracts admiration. 7. The conflict between emotion and logic. Women often make decisions based on emotions rather than logic. This is why their actions sometimes seem inconsistent or unpredictable. Stoic wisdom. Instead of reacting emotionally, maintain a steady, rational approach. When you remain unshaken by emotional fluctuations, she will trust and respect you more. 8. The craving for mystery and challenge. Women lose interest when a man becomes too predictable or too easy to get. They are naturally drawn to mystery and challenge. It keeps attraction alive. Stoic wisdom. Don't reveal everything about yourself too soon. Keep a sense of mystery and let her discover you over time. 9. The hidden struggle with self-doubt. Even the most beautiful, successful women have moments of insecurity. They may worry about their looks, aging, or whether they are truly enough for the man they desire. Stoic wisdom. Encourage her without excessive flattery. Let her know that her character and presence matter more than just external beauty. 10. The subconscious need for leadership. Despite modern ideas about equality, women are naturally drawn to men who take the lead. They appreciate a man who is decisive, confident, and in control of his emotions. Stoic wisdom. Be calm, decisive, and assertive. Lead with quiet confidence, and she will naturally trust and respect your presence. Understanding these hidden weaknesses isn't about manipulation, it's about awareness. A smart man doesn't react emotionally or try too hard to please. Instead, he remains calm, strong, and focused on his own path. Master yourself first, and the right woman will be drawn to you effortlessly. Be disciplined, be grounded, be a man of purpose. Would you like me to refine any section further? Blast off.